The DREAME K10 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum stands out by vacuuming and mopping in a single pass, which noticeably shortens regular floor cleaning sessions. Its lightweight design, just over 8 pounds, and self-propelled feel make it easy to steer around furniture and across different hard floor surfaces without fatigue. A generously sized clean water tank and a battery that comfortably covers about half an hour of use allow you to tackle several rooms without constant refilling or recharging. The edge-focused brush and dual scraper system reach close to baseboards and help prevent hair from wrapping around the roller, which is especially useful in homes with pets or long hair. The self-washing function keeps the brush and internal path cleaner between uses, reducing the time you spend on maintenance and keeping odors in check. Clear voice prompts, a readable lighted display, and an ergonomically shaped handle make it straightforward to understand the machine's status and operate it confidently, even on the first use.